25 Sweetpeas. Today I have another fun kind of spring-like design for you. This is definitely something that could also be worn in the summer and you could change up the colors so much. I will say I kind of now regret the colors that I chose. I loved it on my nails, but it didn't translate to camera super well. But first off, we're going to start, of course, with a base coat on our nails, and then I have chosen to go with a light pink for the main nail that I'll be filming for this video. And then I did every other nail a different color, not a different color, but like I alternated pink and yellow. So the next nail would be yellow and pink and so on, which you guys will see in the final design. But I was having a really hard time getting lighting right for this video, making my skin tone look normal. So everything's kind of wonky. And mid-video, like the lighting goes super dark, but it's so you guys can actually see the art that I'm doing because of the base color that I chose was so light that with a white background, it was not having it. Apparently, I probably should have just stopped filming that night, but you know, everybody has those nights, and sometimes you just gotta work through them and make the best of it. But now I'm going in with some white acrylic paint and a short detailer nail art brush. You could use, of course, anything. You could even use a small dotting tool and then just dot these flower petals. I have no real method to these. I kind of just go with it. You could start from like a star approach if you wanted, but at this point I wasn't thinking. I was at a weird angle and I was getting a little fed up with it, honestly. But I'm glad I went through with it because I ended up really enjoying the manicure, and I'm actually currently wearing it as I am doing this audio for this video. And it's a really happy design. So here is where the video lighting went super weird, and I kind of hate it and it makes me cringe, but you know, we're going to go ahead with it and have fun. And I'm just going to continue this flower process for all of the nails. So I did do white flowers on all of my nails, but the centers is what I changed up. So we're going to get to that in just a moment. Okay, here we are. We have some better lighting now, and now it's time to put the centers of the flowers in. So on the pink nails, I put yellow centers in on the flowers, and then on the yellow nails, I did pink centers. So they are opposites, which I think made for a really fun pattern look on my nails. Like I feel like this would be a fabric or in a cute spring summer dress, a summer dress. Can you tell I want summer? It was a really fun and easy to do manicure. After everything was all dried, I did go with a matte top coat, which definitely made it look like a pattern for whatever reason, that it would be like on fabric, and I really liked this design. So despite the apprehensions at the beginning of this video, by the end I really enjoyed it, which is just proof that sometimes if you start a design and it's just not working out like you were expecting or hoping or thinking, keep going, because it might get better. Or it might get worse, but that's okay because you know what? You can remove it and try again another day. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully it wasn't too much of a downer at the beginning, but you know, at the end at least it came to and we had a fun design. So thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will be back with new videos very, very soon. And again, thank you for watching because I appreciate it so much, and I've been having so much fun on YouTube recently. So thank you guys for contributing to that, and I will see you back here very soon. Bye!